بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to study the lateral and total area of cube. As we have studied before, the cube is a solid that have how many faces of this solid? It has 6 faces and has, so this is called face. This side called face. This is a face of the cube, so it has 6 faces. Also it has 8 vertices. It has also 8 vertices. These points or these corners are called vertices. Vertex. Okay. Also it has 12 edges. These lines called edge. Also this side called edge. As we have studied before, all faces of cube are squares. All faces of cube are squares, and they are equal in area. First, we will study some properties of a square, because all faces of cube, as we said before, are squares. So the area or the perimeter of a square equals side length times 4. We can write length times 4. We can write it like this: B equals length times 4. From here we can find the length equals perimeter divide 4, as we will use it later. Also the area of a square equals length times itself. So it will be length times itself. We can write area equals length times length. So this is very important to remember. We will use it in solving problems. Okay. Okay, so this is some properties of the square, of finding lateral area of cube equals. Lateral area means the side area of the cube, and the lateral area of the cube are 4 sides, so it will be 4 times the area of one face. This face is square, so we can write the total area of cube, of course, equals 4 times area of one face. This is in brief for finding the this is the lateral area. This is the lateral area of the cube. So this is L, the lateral area of a cube. Also, this rule in another form: lateral area equals 4 times. So the area of a square equals the length times length. So the lateral area, we can use another rule to find it, knowing the side length of a square. knowing the side length of the square. The total area of the cube. Here we have 6 faces. Okay, so it will be equal 6 times the area of one face. So the total area equals 6 times A. A is the area of one face, or total area equals 6 times length times length. Okay, so if we know the side length of the cube or the edge length, we can find the total and lateral area of the cube. Okay.